There is an old saying that if you want to be wealthy, do what the wealthy do. This is your old strategy. Earn money, put it in the bank, pay your bills, and then those dollars are gone forever. This is the system that is trapping those dollars and not allowing them to work twice. Now, let's show you the strategy that is going to change your life and help you get back potentially $1 million or more throughout your lifetime. You are going to start to move your cash flow through a max funded permanent life insurance policy. The cash values in that policy are typically averaging 6% to 9% annual rate of return. Next, you're going to borrow against your funds in that cash account, typically at a rate of 4 to 5%. Then you take those borrowed funds and move them into a growth account of some type outside of the policy. The goal is to have a minimum of a 2% positive spread between the policy rate of return and the policy loan interest rate. As you will see later, that 2% positive spread can literally double or triple your growth of the money outside of the policy over a period of time. That is the power of dual purposing your dollars. We have helped our clients average close to 12% a year of net growth for going on 17 years now. Many times, this growth can also be tax free. We have thousands and thousands of wealthy clients doing this with a 99% client retention rate. Now you can do it too. Your funds in any of these accounts, inside the policy or outside of the policy, have what is called a floor, meaning that the money that you put into them won't go down. And once it grows to a higher amount, that is the new floor, which once again, it won't go below. The four strategies that you're going to be moving your borrowed policy funds into are prioritized. The priorities will be designed while doing your strategy call to figure out where your potential vulnerabilities and opportunities are within your finance. The first level to move your borrowed funds into is your reserve emergency fund. Most of you will not even use this level because getting borrowed funds from a policy can happen very quickly. The second level to move borrowed funds into is the Progressive Planner Retirement Strategy. These funds will go into a Roth IRA. This allows for two tax free buckets at retirement to pull income from. The third level to move borrowed funds is to retire high interest debt, converting everything from higher to lower interest. This includes auto loans, credit cards, and anything that is of a higher interest than the borrowed funds. The last level to move borrowed funds is your monthly expenses, including groceries, utilities, and all other everyday expenses. The more money that you can move through these policies, the more dramatic the growth of your funds will be in the long run. The last thing to understand is that wealthy people always protect their financial system, and you will be doing this also. The death benefit provided through the permanent policy will serve multiple purposes. Obviously, number one, it will provide a large amount of funds to your family when you pass on. But these policies also provide much, much more. They have what are called living benefits. These provide you with access to the death benefit proceeds while you are alive. 75% of Americans over the age of 35 live with at least one chronic illness. Chronic illness may allow you to use some of your death benefit. Critical illnesses like cancer, heart attacks, and strokes will affect 50% of people while they are living. Once again, you may access the death benefit with cash funds for these. If you are building a financial empire, you must think like the wealthy think and protect that empire from financial loss from health incidents. So, you have seen this amazing and valuable information that can transform your financial outlook for the rest of your life. If you have questions and want to discuss your situation or want to learn more, either reach out by clicking the text button below to send us a question or fill out the contact box and we will set up a time to discuss this and see if it aligns with you. Last, if you want to have an additional way to fund this whole system and you can devote a couple of hours a week to it, please watch the opportunity video below. I wish you well.